This video is about how to run a Python code in your system. So I'm using a Linux Ubuntu system, and we will be discussing the two methods, using the terminal method and using the integrated development environment IDLE method to run the Python code. So for that, first is the terminal method. So first open a terminal and first check whether Python is installed in your system. For that, type Python. So if it install, it will give the version details and all. So now you can directly enter the single line statements like this, or print hello. But when we enter multi-line programs like error will occur, that is, this shell cannot execute multi-line programs. So in that scenario, if your program consisting of multi-lines, you have to go for save it in a text editor and run it on the terminal. So open the text editor, write the code, and save this file. Save the program. For convenience, I am going to save it on desktop, and I'm going to give a name, example. So one thing you have taken care, you should give this .py extension, otherwise the code will not be treated as a Python code. And save, and next we can run the program. For that, go to terminal. First and the most important thing you have to do is you have to set a path in the terminal. Since the program is saved in the desktop, you have to set the path here. For that, cd space desktop. So the path is set. So we can run the code like Python example.py. So the output is executed, is shown. So when we use the terminal method to run the Python code, the path setting is actually really important. So consider the program is on this folder, that is on Python folder. So we have to set a path here. So we can open terminal like this. Automatically the path is as desktop Python, or if you want, you can manually set it like it's like Python is available here. So cd space Python. It is case sensitive. When the P is capital, then definitely you have to give it as capital P. The path is set, then we can run it as Python example.py. The output is displayed. So this is the way to run a Python code in the terminal method, or using the terminal mode. So the one thing you have to taken care while writing code using terminal is the Linux command is entirely different from the Windows command. So that's the thing you have to be taken care of. So the next method is using IDLE method, integrated development environment method. That is, IDLE is automatically downloaded when the Python is installed in your system. And one thing you have to take care is the installation is totally different from Linux and Windows. So you have to follow the proper installation method depending upon your OS requirement. So once the IDLE is downloaded, we can just search IDLE, IDLE. This is the Python shell. The symbol is called prompt, and you can directly enter Python commands like this. So the difference is it already shows some details about what are the parameters is required for each function. And here also the same problem, like we can't add multi-lines statements in this Python shell. So in that case, we have to take another file, new file. Here you can write the code, print hello, print hi, and obviously we have to save this. So I gave this example1.py. So here also we mentioned the extension .py and save it, and you can run here. So when you run here, the output will be displayed in this Python shell. So in this video lecture, we discussed about the two methods to run a Python code. First one is using terminal, and the second one is using the idle environment. So I hope you understand the session. Thank you.